Good morning, 6th graders. Today we have lesson 12. We are actually, in this video, I'm going to combine our lesson 12 and our lesson 13 because in lesson 12, we are now writing our character sketch. And then in lesson 13, we are writing our final copy. So I'm just gonna make one long video and we're gonna go over both lessons today. For lesson 12, you guys are gonna begin writing your character sketch. In lesson 11, we picked out our person we're gonna write it about. And hopefully you guys picked out your one main characteristic that you guys are going to choose to write about for that person. Now, in lesson 12 today, you guys are going to start writing. So if you look on page 38, at the top of the page, it talks about 3 different things that you guys can write about. So you can start off with their appearance. It helps to show what the person is like. And then you can then write about their character. And that's the one main characteristic that you guys have picked out that you notice in this person that you guys want to write about in your character sketch. And the last one is an influence, is how this person that you guys are writing about has influenced your life in some way and why you admire the person. Okay, so you guys can go ahead and write that on 38. If you have any questions on how to write it again, you can just go back to our lesson from yesterday, which was lesson 11. You can just maybe listen to my character sketch that I wrote about my dad. You can just listen to that again, maybe get some ideas from that. But just read over top of page 38, and then it says on another piece of paper, list the details about the person's appearance, character, and influence. So those 3 main topics at the top of page 38, write some notes under each one of those to help you then go into writing your character sketch. And then after you've done, after you're done organizing them in order that you're going to write about, you can go ahead and start writing. It needs to be at least 3 paragraphs long, because you could have 1 paragraph on your appearance, and then on the character that you've noticed in them, and then the influence that they've had on your life. Okay. And then for lesson 13, all you guys are doing is writing your final copy. So you're gonna rewrite it, making sure. Just read over those bullet points that they have. Do you have a good topic sentence? Have you used exact, vivid words? And do you have a good, interesting summary sentence? So just read over those and then make sure you have all of those points down. Also, notice says you may want to make 2 copies of your character sketch, and then you can give one to your person you're writing about. I bet you they would really like that. I'm planning on printing mine out and giving mine to my dad. So I think you guys could do that too. If you guys have a copier at home or something, you could just write it once and then you could copy it. Or if you don't have a copier, you could just write it twice. It won't take you that long. But that is up to you guys. And then you're gonna revise and edit it. And that's all for your new part in lesson 12 and lesson 13. So this will be a video for both of those, just to kind of go over it a little bit with you guys. All right, that is all for this video, and I will see you guys next week for your tests. All right.